If there is, suppose in a patient, if there is hypoglycemic episode after insulin administration due to exercise, delayed food intake, stress, overdose, anything. So there is adrenergic stimulation in the body. Okay, adrenaline hormone acts on the alpha and beta receptors and produces cardinal signs of hypoglycemia like tachycardia, palpitation, tremor, and sweating. Now, propranolol, by blocking beta receptors, will inhibit the effects of this. Okay, adrenergic stimulation and marks the hypoglycemia. As a result, patient may suddenly go into hypoglycemic coma without having shown any feature of it. Okay. Also, by preventing hepatic glycogenolysis, it will further aggravate the hypoglycemic condition. Okay. Also, propranolol does not block alpha receptors, so there will be unopposed alpha action by adrenaline after adrenergic stimulation. It will lead to rise in blood pressure and hypertension, increased peripheral vascular resistance and hypertension. Okay. So, what is the result of the interaction? Masking and potentiation of the insulin induced hypoglycemia and its delayed recovery. There will also be increase in blood pressure and angina. Okay. So, should these two be used together? No. Propranolol is contraindicated in diabetic patients on insulin therapy. Okay.